Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to unmute inbox notifications of an account in TikTok. If you've muted notifications for a specific account and want to re-enable them, we've got you covered. Let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Tap on Inbox to access your TikTok messages. Then, select the desired account or chat where you want to unmute the notifications. Step 3. Within the chat, locate the three dots menu. This menu is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the three dots to open the options menu. Step 4. Inside the options menu, look for the Mute Notifications option. Tap on it to disable the mute and unmute the notifications for that account. By following these simple steps, you can regain visibility of inbox notifications from the selected account in TikTok. We hope this guide has been helpful in learning how to unmute inbox notifications of an account in TikTok. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful TikTok tutorials and guides. Thank you for watching, and enjoy staying connected with your favorite TikTok accounts.